Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making jambalaya rice. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients for this recipe. 3 cups of long grain rice, chopped green, red and yellow bell peppers, blended tomato mix with tomatoes, peppers and onion, chicken breast, chicken stock, vegetable oil, butter, diced onion, sausage, 3 Maggi cubes, garlic powder, water, salt, bay leaves, ginger powder, tomato paste, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, thyme, curry powder and sweet corn. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Now we wash the rice, rinsing it repeatedly until all the starch has gone out of it and the water is clear. As you can see how clear the water is. Now we drain out the water. Now we pour the rice into the sieve to drain out the excess water. I will pour my oil into the pot. When the oil is hot, I will add my onion. Then add 1 teaspoon of thyme. Then stir it round. I will fry the onion until it becomes translucent. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste. Then stir it round. I will fry it for 5 minutes. Frying it is going to remove the bitter taste from the tomato paste and it's also going to give the rice that rich red color. Then add my cooked tomato mixture. Then stir it round. Then add my chicken stock. I will add 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I will add 2 Maggi cubes. Then stir it round. Now we add my washed rice. I will stir it very well to ensure that the rice is properly mixing. Remember, I did not cook my rice. Now I'm going to add enough water to cover the rice. The water should be just above the level of the rice because adding too much water can lead to soggy rice, which you don't want. Then stir it round. Then add my butter. After that, I will cover it with a foil paper. Then cover it with the lid and leave it to cook for 25 minutes on a low heat. Remember, it's the steam that cooked the rice. It's up to 25 minutes now. I will stir it round. I will take it off the heat and set it aside. I will pour my oil into the pot. When the oil is hot, I will add my chicken breast. Then stir it round. I will fry it until the color changes from pink to white. I will add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, onion, then stir it round. Then add my sausage. Now we add my green, red and yellow bell peppers. Then add my sweet corn. I will add 1 Maggi cube. Then stir it round. I'll pour in my already cooked rice. Then stir it round. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my jambalaya rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.